In this video, we are looking at the Fiio FT3, the latest full-size headphone. They did had a headphone that was Bluetooth, but this one is the proper audiophile grade headphone. Yeah, Bluetooth are decent. I will not say Bluetooth are bad or anything like that, but they aren't exactly great for audiophiles. This one is a more audiophile grade headphone with a 60 mm, if I'm not wrong, 60 mm beryllium coated driver, full size headphones. Let's have a look at the stuff. This one, nice. This one looks good. The box is of very good quality. It looks decent. So mailer boxes, I'm not exactly sure what they mean by that. I believe it is used when they are shipping it outside of the state, the country, or anything like that. So that's a decent thing. That is a very good thing, to be precise. So let's have a look at the stuff we get when we pay around $300 or 29,000 rupees. Oh, look at this. I was not expecting this at all. These are the corner protectors. I have seen this with expensive products like watches and pens that come with these things. They protect the corners, and the stuff inside is more protected too, no crushing or anything like that. So that's a great thing, great kind of protection here. I like this. Now, this box do have a hue that we see with the IEMs too. This one looks decent, black and that rainbow kind of effect on the box looks decent. It isn't anything different by Fio. I was expecting a more mainstream kind of presentation here. In any case, this is the case. Yeah, this is the case, and everything is supposed to be placed inside that. And on the outside, we have the uh, leather and velvet pads. These are very good quality. They're in very good quality, to be precise, and are not big though. These are kind of like 95 mm. Good quality, good quality. I like this quality. This is very much in line with Deconi pads. They look equally good, and this one isn't a slouch either. Let's have a look at the stuff we get when we pay $300. This, oh, nice, nice, nice. Oh, oh, good quality, very good quality case here. Very similar to the Sivga, but this one is a bit more premium in that regard. Very good looking, very good looking. Let's have a look at the accessories. These are, oh, nice. This is the XLR 4.4 to XLR plug. Oh, balanced 4-pin XLR that is to be used with amplifiers with XLR balanced XLR out. Looks nice. Very good addition to the headphone. That plug in its own kind of costs around 30-35 dollars. And here we have the cable. The cable looks decent, but the main feature is the swappable plugs that we get with this swappable plugs are supposed to be very useful, and I'll be swapping the 4.4 mm balanced plugs with this very soon, very soon. Let's have a look at the quality. The cable is of decent quality. I am not exactly pleased with the aesthetics of this, but I believe the material used is supposed to be of a bit better quality. I'm not exactly sure what kind of cable we are getting here. Most probably copper it is supposed to be. Let's have a look at the headphone here. Good quality, very good quality, very good quality. There is no creaking or squeaking kind of sound here. uh, I'm not exactly sure what material they have used on the cups, but it it might be metal, might be plastic, but the pads, oh, fantastic pads. I like this kind of pads, and the cushioning on them are very good too. The leather finishing on them, the leather on the bands are very good quality. I like this kind of finishing. They give it a more premium kind of feel, and that's a great thing, to be precise. I like this, this is much more premium than anything they give with cloth or like Sennheiser, the very bad quality padding they provide with that. Now this one looks very good, looking very good, and I'm not exactly sure about the cable, to be precise, but it is supposed to be decent. I'm not exactly complaining at all, because we are getting a lot of stuff here. The extra pad, the setup accessories are excellent. I'll be comparing it with the Sivga Luan. Both are very similarly priced. This one has a 60 beryllium coated driver, and that one has a 50 so should be very good. I'll be looking at both these headphones. Very good build quality in any case. Very good. I'm kind of impressed. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. This is the unboxing of the latest Fiio headphone, Fiio FT3. Have a nice day, guys. Enjoy.